I've got great news for you. Come January 2019, we are going to be streaming live. We're going to be doing webinars on YouTube, which means you can write to us live, chat to us live, and I take your questions. How's that? Well, before we even do that, hence why today my director and I are doing a trial run live streaming. This is all connected live. And why not I just do 2 quick tutorials on what you can do with your flash. The first one, have you ever had your flash on top of your camera and when you try to take a shot, it does this annoying flicker? Well, that is called the red eye feature. So you will not have red eye problem with DSLR. Red eye only happens if your flash is very near to your lens. So it's kind of only happened to compact cameras of the 1980s. I mean, who uses those anymore? If your flash is very separated from your lens, you practically will never get red eye. But somehow, most DSLR have that. So I'm going to teach you how you can turn that off. Go on to your camera and you notice that you have a flash button if you're using a Nikon. You can press on this button now and you notice that you've got that red eye icon turned on, that eye thing. Well, start turning this and put this on rear. We'll do another episode and tell you what rear means. In today's episode, you should put it on rear almost all the time, unless you are a famous fashion photographer that takes blurry flash shot. Now, once you have done this, done. You will not get that annoying flicker anymore. That's the first thing. And how many of you are like me? Sometimes I use flash in a shoot and I swap between flash and natural lighting, which means that I'll be taking a shot with TTL like this, right? And then the next shot I want to do, I'm going to be doing in manual mode, so which means that I have to press and hold down my flash or press that button and turn it off. That's quite annoying. So this is in natural lighting now. So that's a shot in natural lighting. I'm going to increase the ISO and that's in natural lighting. But then if I want to go to flash again, I have to turn this on again. I'm going to teach you a simple way you can do this. Head on to your camera now and press on the menu button. As you can see, you have the pencil icon, and if you go in there, you're going to have controls under F. Hit on in there, and you see this assign FN button. The FN button is actually located here. And if you hold your camera correctly, you can depress this button with your index finger, or you can use your, what exactly do you call this finger? I'm not sure what you call it. Or you can use this finger to depress it. So I'm going to go in there, and as you can see now, if it says that if I press on it, it will activate spot metering. Now, why would that be useful for me? Hit on in there. Look, you can set this to off. Use that. So I'm going to show you how you do this now. So if you see that if I press on this button now, my flash is on. If I press on this button now, no flash. If I don't press on it now, there's flash. So there you have it. 2 cool tricks that you learned in today's snappy tutorial session. We'll be doing more of this, and we're going to be going live in January 2019 to give you more smashing great tutorials. Head on to our website, check out our e-learning. We truly need your support to be able to do free YouTube videos like this. Adios.